Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, and in this video I'll be showing you how to play 3DS games on your PC. So first, you just type on Google, like search for Citra, and it's the emulator for Nintendo 3DS. Just open the first link that you find. Now in this website, you could just click on download here to download the emulator and click on download for Windows 64. If you have other platforms, you should click on the other platforms or even the manual download. Now, if the pop-up comes or if it just auto downloads, just find where you downloaded because I have already downloaded mine. So I'm just going to skip this and start with the installation. So once you downloaded the app, you just double click on the app and it will open the setup. Just click next for this and it will prepare for it, and now you can either select or just use the default location for the installation. So for me, I would just change it to my games folder, and here I have created beforehand another folder. So for this, you could either download Canary or Nightly, but I recommend you to install both of them because the Canary is for the test builds, so and the Nightly one is for the official build, I suppose, because this one's normally works, but when sometimes if the Nightly one doesn't works, then you could just try it on the Canary version. So next, and just accept the licenses and click next again, creating a shortcut. Just next it and install. While you're installing is Citra, you could also go back to the web and go to the compatibility section to check what games are compatible with it. For the games, you could use the games from your 3DS, or even just go to Google and search for Nintendo. Just search for 3DS ROMs, and I just tried on the first link, and here I tried to download Super Mario Bros. 2 in this link, and I just clicked on the decrypted one. Why the decrypted one? It's because for the encrypted ones, it works on only most of the 3DS platforms, but if you want to use it on other platforms, as in the Citra on PC or even try it on mobile, you should just click on this decrypted one because this one works for cross platforms if, if you're like playing on PC or Android. So when the download is finished, you can just click on finish and just open the Citra. Now there's two folders, right? The Canary and the Nightly. It's because we downloaded both of them. I'm just going to go to the Canary one and just double click on the Citra Qt and run it. Now when you open it, it should have something kind of like this. Double click to add a new folder to the game list. You just double click on it. And you can add the folder where you download the games. For me, it's actually this folder. I created it formally. Add a new game directory, 3DS game, Super Mario. Okay, so it automatically added the games, and I could also add a new one, which is this Pokemon Wow. And we're going to try Super Mario. Just double click on it to run it. Oh, oh yeah, and for the if you want to know the controls, you could just go to where is it? Emulation and configure. And then You can customize every settings that's here. System, graphics, audio, and here are the controls for the buttons. I'm going to change it, okay? Okay, so I'm done with my configs. Could just start it. For the view, you can also add it at the screen layouts. And you can also play multiplayer on this. So here we are going to try to play it. Let's just do solo play, create a new game, just to test things out if it works. And Mario is actually a really fun game. And yes, it runs fine. So that's it. Thank you everyone for watching, and please click on the like button and also subscribe.